037 A6 3.0T, at what stage does the factory intake throttle body hinder performance, become a detriment? Yeah, the stock intake is a restriction.
Not on the C7. It's not as bad as the V8, but it is not great.
Definitely by stage 2 power levels, you'd want to do it. The throttle body is a restriction at higher RPMs. So, kind of above 6,000 RPM is where you're going to see that restriction. So, yeah, at all the stage levels, you're still going to make the same power with the stock throttle body up to around 6,000 RPM, 5,500 to 6,000. And then, as logic would dictate, the higher RPMs are where the engine needs that additional flow, and that's where the super duper throttle body helps. So, but yeah, the factory intakes are decent for stage